Have you ever wondered how brands keep posting fresh content every day without constantly creating everything from scratch? What if a single product image could become multiple advertisements, social media campaigns, promotional visuals, and AI-generated videos in just a few minutes? And now that Seedance 2.0 Mini is officially available inside CapCut PC, the process is even more impressive. Today, I'll show you how I used GPT Image 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 Mini inside CapCut PC to transform one simple product into multiple marketing assets and dynamic AI videos. Let's get started. First, I opened CapCut PC and went to AI Image powered by GPT Image 2.0. I started with a simple perfume bottle and generated completely different marketing concepts. Premium luxury perfume bottle displayed on a floating crystal pedestal, surrounded by soft mist, warm golden sunrise lighting, elegant reflections, minimal premium branding, ultra-detailed product photography, luxury commercial advertising style. The image looks elegant, luxurious, and premium. The warm lighting and reflections instantly make the product feel sophisticated and high-end. Luxury perfume bottle inside a futuristic transparent showroom with glowing blue light accents, modern innovation theme, premium product presentation, ultra-realistic commercial design, sleek technology-inspired advertising campaign. This created a completely different direction. Instead of a luxury lifestyle look, the product now feels futuristic, modern, and innovation-driven while maintaining strong product consistency. Now I'll generate multiple premium marketing poster images. I'll enter my prompt, choose the image model, select the resolution and other settings, and then click Generate. It will start processing, and in just a few moments, the posters will be ready. Now, I send both images directly into Seedance 2.0 Mini. Instead of static visuals, Seedance transforms them into dynamic marketing videos. Slow cinematic camera movement toward the perfume bottle, soft floating mist reacting naturally, elegant floating particles, realistic lighting changes, smooth premium advertising motion, high product consistency. The movement looks smooth and realistic. The product remains stable, while the surrounding atmosphere gently comes to life. Dynamic camera orbit around the perfume bottle, glowing energy lines flowing through the environment, futuristic atmosphere, smooth transitions, realistic reflections, modern promotional video style. The video feels energetic and visually engaging. The motion stays clean, and the futuristic environment creates a completely different marketing style. Using just these two image concepts and two video prompts, I was able to create product advertisements, social media marketing creatives, e-commerce, promotional videos, product launch visuals, luxury brand campaign assets, technology-inspired brand campaigns, short-form promotional content. Next, let's turn one of these posters into a video. The process is very simple. Just select the poster, choose the Seedance 2.0 Mini model, set the aspect ratio, then click Generate. Now, let's play the final result. As you can see, it's incredibly easy to create high-quality marketing videos from a single poster using CapCut.com. So that's how I used a GPT Image 2.0 and the new Seedance 2.0 Mini inside CapCut PC to create multiple marketing assets and AI-powered videos from just a few prompts. From image generation to video creation and final editing, everything happens in one workflow. Click my link to try CapCut PC and explore a faster AI video workflow for marketing and creative content. Seedance 2.5 is coming soon to CapCut. Stay tuned.